여러분 안녕하세요. 지니 선생님입니다. Today we're going to talk about different moods. What is a mood in a language? It refers to a way a sentence is used. There are three basic different moods in English: declarative, interrogative, and imperative. In Korean, we will add one more. It is the prepositive mood, and it's used to suggest something. First of all, let's look at the declarative mood. The declarative mood is a statement of fact. In Korean, 아유, 어요, 해요 form and 비읍니다, 씁니다 form are typical of the declarative mood. Just like the English declarative mood, it is declaring facts. 나는 똑똑해요. 나는 예뻐요. 엄마와 아빠가 모레 가요. The next mood is interrogative. Simply, it is a question. When you ask a question in English, you have to change the word order and you need to add something like do or does. But to make a question in Korean, it's really simple. Let's take a look at this declarative sentence. 선생님이 커피를 마셔요. To make this into a question in English, you need to use the word does in front, and drinks should be changed to the original verb form, which is drink. Then raise the end. So it becomes, does the teacher drink coffee? But for Korean, you do not need to change anything. Because it is a question, simply raise the end. 선생님이 커피를 마셔요? Simple, huh? How about, does your mom work? In Korean, simply raise the end using the declarative mood. 엄마가 일해요? I know it can't be simpler than this, can it? Let's hear a few more Korean questions. 아빠가 책을 읽어요? 컴퓨터가 비싸요? 친구가 똑똑해요? We use the third person as a subject so far. Then, how can you ask your friend, do you study on weekends? When you ask a question in Korean, if the subject is in the second person, both the speaker and the listener know who is asking to whom. Therefore, you do not have to use the subject if the subject is in the second person. So, the sentence should be, 주말에 공부해요? Notice this question does not have a subject. 오후에 친구와 놀아요? If you say it like this means, do you play with friends in the afternoon? When you answer the question, if you need to say yes, say 네 or 예. If you need to say no, you say 아니요. Let's take a look at the following dialogue. 주말에 친구와 공원에서 놀아요? 네, 나는 주말에 친구와 공원에서 놀아요. 오늘 오후에 친구와 도서관에 가요? 아니요, 나는 오늘 오후에 친구와 도서관에 안 가요. We have not talked about the negation yet, but simply to make a negation in Korean, put one simple word, 안, in front of the verb. So, 가요, 안 가요, 먹어요, 안 먹어요, 사요, 안 사요. So today we talked about the question form in Korean. 다음에 만나요.